The entirely current exchanging volume of torrential slide explicitly is at $345,234,817 in a kind of enormous manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support especially truly remained at $13.68, which by and large is very critical. Torrential slides EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern, which explicitly certainly is genuinely critical. 03 December 2023, in this we will sort of truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially truly 1 week from now, and by and large especially attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts. What basically is somewhat in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for torrential slide, sort of is Avax an actually genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner incredibly. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly sort of is genuinely huge, which is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the Avax specialized examination, really let us in every practical sense, in a real sense, discuss the especially truly current economic situations in an exceptionally large manner. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally beautiful whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437, which generally is very critical in an unpretentious manner. The super complete exchanging volume vary all goals and purposes remains at $45,105,667,806 in a by and large significant manner, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, or so they in a real sense all things considered, thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours in an especially genuinely significant manner, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, which fundamentally is very critical, which is genuinely huge. XRP the especially in every practical sense, local coin of XRP actually by and large is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which really shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner and in every way that really matters, significant way. These occasions demonstrate that the market truly is going in an exceptionally beautiful descending heading for commonly truly transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a truly broad by and large essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters, further appearance how Avax cost streaks, indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an extremely enormous manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to really recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally is very huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of significantly more lovely certainly dynamic and especially certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling in especially beautiful further in an essentially kind of enormous manner, or so they in every practical sense thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers most certainly explicitly become move pretty dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how market examination over the pretty genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of by and large, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the actually fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an essentially really significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Following in every practical sense, especially are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution, the in every way that really matters. Current torrential slide cost basically is $21.98, with an exchanging volume of $345,234,817 in the decently essentially beyond 24 hours, showing that the truly all-out exchanging volume quite remains at $45,105,667,806. Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. Presently, Avax for the most part certainly is somewhere near 0.23% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,028,063,344 United States dollars, which basically for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside an especially everyday time period for the most part made sense of underneath, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking, which essentially is very critical. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense. Especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the torrential slide in a sort of huge manner basically. While Avax's Williams %R pointer truly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, genuinely signal basically is somewhat truly conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense really shows that as of now, Avax sort of is somewhere around 0.23% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,028,063,344 United States dollars in a truly significant manner. Or so they thought. The Avax United States dollar moving fundamentally essentially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer especially is demonstrating a by and large present moment, generally sell extremely signal is the MACD line explicitly in every way that really matters. Is moving underneath fundamentally signal line which in a real sense implies in a real sense for the most part bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout, by and large further appearance how right now, Avax in a real sense for the most part is somewhere near 0.23% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,028,063,344 United States dollars in an especially all things considered significant way. The in every practical sense, extremely relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI entirely the most part is at 29, showing how 03 December 2023. In this we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and basically in a real sense attempt to answer these oftentimes basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what essentially is especially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, generally certainly is Avax an essentially excellent speculation. Or so they in every practical sense truly thought. Ends torrential